Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging and powering the Jabra earbuds. This avoids mid-pair failures. Once on, force pairing mode by holding the pairing button until the LED flashes. This tells the earbuds to advertise. On the computer, open Bluetooth and devices from Settings and choose Add Device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Many laptops have a hardware switch. If yours does, turn it on. This first step synchronizes intent. Earbuds ready to be discovered, and the PC actively scanning. Once the PC lists your Jabra model, click it to pair. This initiates the secure link. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or simply accept. Most Jabra models use a simple pairing code. After the system shows connected, go to Sound Settings and set the Jabra earbuds as the default output and input device so audio routes correctly. Make sure the communication device is also set to Jabra when using calls. This ensures both media and microphone work as intended. Finish by testing playback and the microphone. Play audio and record a quick clip to confirm. If audio is missing or the mic isn't detected, turn Bluetooth off and on, or remove the Jabra device from the PC and repair. This clears stale profiles. If issues persist, install Jabra Direct for firmware updates, or use the Jabra USB adapter if you have one. It bypasses problematic PC Bluetooth stacks and is the most reliable fallback to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.